Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I prepared 2 new DIYs that you can remake for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to start off with these skewers from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be painting them gold using the hand painting method that I've showed you before. Once the skewers have had time to dry, I'm going to just line them up side by side and begin to place down some diamond base filler. And you'll see me using 15 gems. Once I have them all laid out, I'm going to go in with my hot glue gun. When I'm done doing this, I'm just going to set them aside and begin to work on the other portion of this project. I'll be using this floral foam from the Dollar Tree, and I'm only going to use one of them. What you see me here doing is just drawing a line in the floral foam so that I can get a straight cut. I'll be using these mirror jot stickers, and they are from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and just paint that over top of my floral foam. And then guys, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and shake on some jumbo glitter in the color silver. Now it's just time to assemble everything. I had an old piece of leftover foam board from a previous project, and I'm just going to use this as my backing. And here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'll be using this glass container from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go in with this translucent Elmer's glue. I'll be using this bronze tube confetti, and it's from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using this iridescent bling ribbon from Amazon. I'm going to be using these brooches from Totally Dazzle. These tea light holders are from Dollar Tree. here's what they look like. I really love these. What do you guys think? And so guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves today. I hope that you've enjoyed this little video because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting that notification bell and giving this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.